Welcome. Today we are at the Misty Meadows Sheep Dairy Farm, and we got to be here a few years ago where we saw the little baby sheep and goats. Now goats, to me, it's a love, not sure if I like, because I don't like the word, you know, the other word, but love, not sure I like goats, you know? Like they're really super cute, but their eyes, they just get me sometimes, but they do a lot of funny things. So hopefully we can go and see some, and we have some yummy, yummy food to go and feed them. Let's go. Well, hey, I wanted to introduce you to some of my friends. Well, I mean, I haven't even really gotten to know their names yet, but they seem to be friendly. Oh, well, maybe it's some of the food, but whatever. Aren't they the cutest little things? Hi, guys. And look, there's some chickens. And oh, here comes, look at this. Come here, guys. We have some more things for you. Let all your friends come over. Oh, my word. Look at this. Hi, one for you, one for you. Did you not get one? Oh man, I don't even know now. There's so many of you. Oh, one little guy over here. I thought this would be a perfect time for us to learn maybe a little bit more about the goats. Some information never hurts. It's always good to know a little bit more. So this is called Goats on the Farm, and it's from Bullfrog Books, and it was written by Busy Harris. And it will explain a little bit more about these goats. Beards and bleats. Bah, a goat bleats. It's morning on the farm. The goats look for food. Well, we just were able to give them some. Male goats are called bucks. They have horns. They also have beards. I saw one or two with beards. Now there are many different varieties of goats too. Females are called does. They can have beards and horns too. Theirs are similar than bucks or smaller than bucks. Do you see that? They do have them. Oh my goodness. This doe had babies. We call them kids. Aren't they so cute? Look at that. Whoa. I don't know if you just saw, but one of the goats was just leaping all over the place behind us. They're fun to watch. Kids like to play. They climb, they jump. Wow! We just saw that out of the corner of my eye. These kids butt heads. It's how they play. Sometimes I'm sure you've done that with your siblings. Goats eat a lot. They graze on grass. They eat hay too. Yum! The farmer milks the doe. See her udder? The milk goes in a pail. Now this is really important to this farm because they do milk the goats, and guess what you can make from goat's milk? Cheese and all kinds of lotions and all kinds of things that are so helpful, especially for people who have allergies. This type of milk helps a lot of people too. And some people just like the way it tastes. Mom is back now and the kids are tired. Sweet dreams. Oh, I love it. And here are the parts of a goat. The muzzle, the beard, the leg, the hoof, the tail, and the horn. And this book also provides a picture glossary for us to be able to see too. And some more information of where you could go to find more. Because remember, I only start the story here, start the conversation, and you can go and do even more research by even coming to a place like this, where I'm sure that the owner, who we have met in the past, has provided lots of information and has answered lots of questions that you might have. It's a great place to come and visit while you're down here in southern New Jersey, and this is the Upper Township area. I'm gonna go see the farm a little bit more. See you later, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep coming on all these fun learning adventures. Bye. Don't forget to wash your hands after you touch a goat too. They have a nice cleaning station over there. Nice. And I just found out they can use goat's milk to make soaps and chocolate and cheese. Thanks guys for sharing. You see the chicken back there getting a dirt bath? It's a hot day on this farm. And today, it's the hottest part and they're all getting